Welcome back guys to my channel. I'm Kev and this is my Audi A4 B6 1.8 liter turbo quattro project. Currently we are running 17-inch alloy wheels. These are the original Audi Speedline wheels. Brand new tires all around because that's important. At the back I have changed the taillights on this car. They are brand new ones. The exhaust system is also a completely brand new one. Two straight flow exhaust mufflers and an X-pipe in the middle. If we take a look at the trunk, we have the parts we're going to be installing today, as well as the oil change I'll be doing for this car. Intercooler, I'm not sure if I'm gonna film in this video have I installed it, but maybe in the next one. Let me know if you want to see it. So, today we're going to be changing the coolant reservoir tank. I'll be changing the oil and filter for this car. My friend is going to come and help me change the timing belt kit on this car, as well as the water pump and some pulleys. Right now I'm going to be making a ramp so I can drive up the car and drain the oil, take off the pan, and let's go from there. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so the car is up on the stands. Before I started working on the oil change, I wanted to show you the skid plate. I'll be taking it off and you... Alright, so the skid plate is off. As you can see, it's a really nice sturdy one. It comes in 3 pieces and I really recommend it for everyone. So, I've taken off the air duct for the cold air intake, and just when I went underneath the car I realized that there's like huge oil leak coming somewhere from the diverter valve region, and we're gonna investigate where that's coming from. My friend is just around the corner. We're gonna change the timing belt on the car, water pump and the coolant, and then I'll be continuing to investigate where is that oil coming from. Alright, so the timing belt job went pretty quickly. We also changed the water pump and few pulleys, as well as oil seal for the valve cover and some other things like thermostat, but I already showed those. So now I'm going to be changing the oil and preparing the car for the final steps before I install the intercooler. Let's go. So the car is again on the stands. Here I have the parts that I'll be changing. The oil filter, I really like the ones with this key socket you can put on, because it's a lot easier to take them off and put them on. we're going to change the oil level sensor because mine is intermittently faulty. Of course, new oil drain plug, Shell Ultra Helix oil 5W30, and here I have from my 1.8 liter Turbo B5 oil dipstick. I'm not sure if that's going to fit, but we'll sure as hell try. So the oil filter is down there. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's still there. And the oil drain plug, it's located underneath here. Okay, now that everything is clear, let's get to work. So there are multiple ways of removing the oil filter. These are some of the tools you could use for it. I have found that it's easier if you remove the coolant tank, remove it a little bit away from the car, and then I have a little tool like this. It's really simple one. It just works with tension, and then you can unscrew easily this filter. The filter shouldn't be tight in the first place, so you shouldn't have really any problems removing it. Although I am not mechanic and I cannot give you advice, but I always like to fill these new filters halfway with oil so the car doesn't starve on the first initial seconds. Also, this little oil ring, you should always try to oil it before putting it back. It just makes it a lot easier to take it off the next time. Alright guys, so the engine is nice and clean, should be ready for an intercooler install. I managed to clean the valve cover and intake as well a little bit before we install the intercooler, but that's going to be a wrap for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video where we're going to be installing the intercooler. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe if you like this content, and see ya!